everyone, I am Mathilde Floch, CB Product Manager for sunglasses, and I am going to explain you today our latest lens innovation, Sensor High Contrast Vision. Sensor is a unique technology that aims to increase visual contrast and to give better color definition. Our lenses have a unique transmittance curve which has been specifically developed in order to highlight obstacles on trails and paths. The launch of the sensor lenses is the result of a long process of research and development made in collaboration with our lens supplier. The main objective of a high contrast lens is to increase the perception of certain colors which are different in each environment. Then, the first step is to study the environment. To do that, we stuck to our brand DNA. CB was born in the Jura Mountains, so it was obvious for us to focus on forest and mountain environments. Here, sports people need to better distinguish rocks, roots, to better see the relief on the ground, so they can better anticipate obstacles on trails. Obviously, our lens needs to offer a better perception of the different brown tints in order to increase contrast. Then, the second step is to understand how the light spectrum works. The light spectrum is composed of different wavelengths, each of them corresponding to a color. The brown color is composed of red and green colors. Then, we need to increase the perception of these two colors. So let's see how you can perceive the color differently with sensor lenses compared to other conditions. With naked eye, you can see all the colors the same way. With classical lens category 3, all the colors are filtered the same way. With sensor lenses, we have increased the perception of red and green colors. We have also reduced the perception of yellow color. Since yellow color is between red and green colors in the light spectrum, it allows the eyes to better distinguish green and red color, thus having more contrast between different brown tints. Of course, sensor lenses also provide 100% UV protection and a reduction in harmful blue light. To achieve this, we made our lenses of injected polycarbonate with color pigments and unique additional pigments. The specific additional pigments are specially selected in order to build our own transmittance curve. Sensor lenses is available on most of our sports styles. So now it's up to you to select the best style for your activity and to test sensor lenses which are the best on the market.